Hello dear viewers, welcome to another episode of our DIY paper flowers course. Let's start off today by cutting small square pieces of paper. Pick one set square paper, make two simple folds and then cut as shown in the video. Now let's make a stem for this petal. Repeat the above steps and then make such 10 to 15 petals. Alright, now let's make a bunch out of all the petals and use a floral tape to seal the stems together. I really hope that you all loved this episode. See you all in another episode.